I'm Shana Ramsey. We've all been inside for a few weeks now. Maybe you've read a good book. In celebration of Earth Day week, we want to share some of our favorite nature books with you.
My favorite book to read this spring is King of Fish, A 1,000-Year Run of Salmon.
The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
My favorite nature book is Song of the Water Boatman and Other Pond Poems by Joyce Sidwood.
One of my favorite nature books is Listening to Nature by Joseph Cornell.
My favorite book is First Flight, the Mother Hummingbird story. If you're looking for a laugh, A Guide to Trouble Birds is pretty good.
Bringing Nature Home by Douglas Tallamy.
The Salamander Room.
My Side of the Mountain.
They had just begun to dine when the little worm stared wide-eyed at his meal, suddenly spit out his food and screamed, "There's a hair in my dirt! There's a hair in my dirt!"
Hi, I recommend two books by the same author, The Hidden Life of Trees, and for kids, Can You Hear the Trees Talking?
Butterflies! The Lorax by Dr. Seuss.
The Tiny Sea.
Something I take with me everywhere when I go birding is the Warbler and the Sparrow and Finch books by Chris Early. Excellent books.
So, pick one of our favorite nature titles and join us tomorrow, April 22nd, to find out how you can care and protect our planet. Thanks for watching.